viewers. So welcome to the last section of my Y tutorial. So in this section, I'm going to quickly talk about some advanced topics, and it's going to be very short. So let's go on to the indentation first. So indentation, you can apply indentation, especially when you are doing programming. You would like to indent it. So for example, if you use this, you know you can indent this line. For example, I press that and it indents it. uh, you know Less than characters twice indents back. So if you want to indent three or two characters, you press two and then do that, so it indents two lines altogether, right? So then go back, and then let's say I indent it. I want to indent everything back two and then the character. So you can also do auto indenting. I'm going to just cover these two and I will let you try out the other stuff quickly. For example, I say SCAI, it will have indentation enabled. So that means if I just press enter, uh, wait a second. So SC and then I would say AI. If I wait a minute, for example, here, to, it's not getting switched on. Let me just open it again. Uh, I'm switching on enables auto indent. Okay, so now because it's not indented, it's just on the same line. So let's see this. So I'm going to indent it. Now, because that switch is on, you go to the next line, it's on the same line or it's on the same level, right? So you go back, it's on the same level. So because that SCAI thing is enabled, but you want to switch that off, you say SC no AI. And then from here, when you go to the next section, you start from the beginning and so forth, right? So that's a good way when you're doing programming, that's important. So you can also wrap your text as well. So that's, I would leave that as an exercise for you. I'll just come quickly talk about these filtering sections. So let's say I want to filter in the sense I want to apply my commands to only this line now, right? So this is particularly useful because in command line world, in Linux, Unix environments, there are other tools like transformation tool, formatting tools, grep is for search, SCD is an advanced editing tool, awk is a complete programming language. So from VI editor, you can pass your filtered text into these commands inline and make changes to VI. So for example, let's say I want to make this entire line uppercase. So I can use the transformation command for that. But first of all, I need to make sure that I apply that change only for this line. So I have to be on this character, then press double exclamation. And now I have only selected that line, right? So that where I was. And then I'm using TR for transformation and saying all the lowercase characters, make it uppercase for me. There you go. Now it is uppercase. And you want to come back, you just do that and then do the reverse and something like this. And you can apply that for multiple lines also. For example, when you say n colon colon, for example, from here to let's say 4 lines, I can say 4, then colon colon, and then say A to Z, change that to A to Z. So I think 4 lines filtered. Okay, let's see that what happened. So I'm going to save this. Something weird happened there. So let's try that again. So I'm going to say 4 colon colon and then transformation A to, I think I did type the transformation earlier, A to Z. It will convert that all 4 lines. So I want to do the same again. Could be to reverse it, A to Z. It will bring it back. So likewise, you can apply filtering concept is to first filter your text scope, whether it is a line, paragraph, or there are different other ways to do this here. So those other things apply there. And then you pass it on to another program, especially in Linux world, you have these LR format, grep and SCD awk type of things, and it will be applied to those filtered text only. Okay, so I'm gonna make this quick, and let's say I want to delete all the lines from the current, from the beginning of the line to the current line, to make this code start from here. So how do I do that? Colon 1/dot and then a space D and then enter. There you go. Everything that was above the int line, int main, disappeared. But I don't want to do that, so I'm pressing U to undo that change again. So likewise, there are other uh, advanced details here. I recommend you to follow these, which I will put in the description section below. Hope you enjoy this video on Y editor and enjoy doing editing with Y in future as well. So this is a great editor to master, definitely. So there are a lot of other things, cool stuff that you can do. There are a lot of materials out there in the net for you to refer. There are books available on Y editor and so forth. If you're interested to learning all those things, go explore that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.